Alright, hold on. Nigga, we didn't even think of a intro. Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're doing a new challenge called we're letting ChatGPT decide what we choose. But instead of us being outside, we're being inside my car because it's raining outside, and we're not at the store yet because
we're gonna let ChatGPT decide the store, our 3 lures, and yeah, I mean, let's get to it.
All right, so we're just gonna pull up ChatGPT real quick, and then we'll see. We'll let y'all know where they do it.
All right, let's see.
All right, so we're going to Academy.
We're going to Academy, guys.
All right, so we just got ChatGPT deciding, and so we are going to Academy, and we'll see y'all at Academy and let ChatGPT decide our 3 fishing lures.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see y'all there.
See y'all.
All right, so we finally made it to Academy, and now we're letting ChatGPT decide our 3 fishing lures to catch a bass. So he's gonna do his, and then I'm gonna do mine next. What do you get?
Hold on. Hold on. 3 saw. Oh. Ooh.
What'd you get?
I got a Cinco for my first one. Soft plastic worm, spinner bait, and a crankbait. That's what I got. All right, now I'm gonna put.
Copy and paste it, but say do another one again.
Why not just say choose 3 different?
Yeah. All right. So yours is a Cinco, a swim bait, and a crankbait. Please don't give me nothing trash. I'm really hoping they don't give me nothing bad. Let me see.
Ned rig.
A Ned rig. Inline spinner. And a jerk bait. I don't even get a Cinco? I don't even get a Cinco? You know but you know how fast it is for you to catch one?
I know, bro. With a Cinco. Let's go. I might have this challenge in the bag.
I lost, but I'll try my best, though. I'll be trying my best.
All right, we'll go see y'all inside.
Yeah.
All right.
Peace.
All right, guys. It's my turn. Do we have a time limit?
No.
No time limit?
No, we're not doing timer this time.
All right, good. 'Cause that means I got more time to think, more time to, check what's good and what's not good. Which one's the one that you get? Pumpkin spice?
Green pumpkin.
Green pumpkin. This one. Maybe. Or watermelon. I feel like watermelon.
Nah, they don't really attract to watermelon. It's always the green pumpkin ones.
Is it?
Why am I telling you this, bro?
Green pumpkin?
Why am I telling you?
Hey, bro, you just trying to help me, friend. Hey, thank you, bro. Oh, this one looks weird. This one's green pumpkin as well. But this one's
But at the same time, you need one that will work with that water that where we're at.
yeah, no, this one will work 100% with the water. Green pumpkin. It's the first lure. All right, on to my second one. Crankbait. All right, crankbait.
Yeah.
I want to go where like one guy's at, but I don't want to be rude. Honestly. I don't know what to choose. Let's do crankbaits.
Look at the size of this.
Hey. Alright.
I got distracted.
You chilling, bro? What is this? That silver one looks. It's crazy.
You gonna get the silver one?
I'm not gonna get that one, bro. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna just get the normal one. Just this one. Crankbait. It's crankbait.
Alright. So that's 2. Now you just need 1 more. Which is what your spinner bait?
Spinner bait, right?
Spinner bait. It's a spinner bait. Spinner baits are gonna be like right here.
Should I get it small? I'm kind of like. I'm kind of cooked here because I don't know how to use it. Spinner bait. To be honest.
You don't know how to use a spinner bait? It's pretty easy. It's just like toss it in there and reel it in.
Alright, I'm getting this one because it'll probably attract more fish. And that's 3 lures.
Is that 3?
Yep, all 3.
Alright.
Am I cooking? Let me know. Alrighty. Now it's time for Jose.
Alright, so ChatGPT just cooked me. So you're gonna need a rooster tail. I don't feel like
Imagine he gets the bundle, bro.
I'm not getting the bundle. I'm not getting that bundle.
$18 for the bundle.
I might have to get probably the silver one right here. I feel like this one is gonna attract more.
Are you sure? Yeah. You sure
And
you want that
I'm
one, bro?
Yeah. Oh, don't doubt. So in this academy, they don't have any one of those rigged ones. So we're gonna have to get a pre-rig. So I was looking at these.
I think you just passed it.
No,
bro.
I think it's this one. Yeah, it's right here.
This one?
Yeah, right here. These rigged shads, but those are too big. So I'm gonna get something like smaller. So maybe one of. Is that smaller?
No, I don't know.
I'm gonna give him one of. Probably one of these. These right here. A little pre-rigs. Don't hit on me, Chad, but it's just pre-rigs. Don't worry. And the other one was what? Crankbait or crankbait?
Yeah, I
No.
think no, it was a
Swim
jerk bait. Jerk bait.
It was a jerk bait.
Yeah, it was a jerk bait.
So these are gonna be the jerk bait.
I'm pretty sure. Oh, let me
These are the crankbaits.
double check. Yep, jerk bait.
Jerk bait. Where's a good jerk bait?
Oh shoot, my bad, y'all.
Man, I think feel like I might, low key, I might have to go with that one.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna go with the original minnow one. So, alright, so I got the rooster tail, the pre-rig, and the jerk bait. Yeah, jerk bait. Then that's it. So we'll see y'all once we cash out. Alright, peace. Alright.
Yo, we made it back.
Yeah, so we just got out of the academy. We made it back with the items. So we're gonna go hit up at the spot, and we'll see y'all there. All right?
Hey, hopefully I catch a big one today. 10-pounder. 10-pound legend.
He's not catching none.
Okay.
But we'll see y'all at the spot, and yeah, hopefully we do good.
Alrighty. Wish us luck.
All right, peace. All right, so we made it to the spot, guys, finally, and we're gonna be hitting it. We're gonna be going separate ways. So y'all gonna be with him, and y'all gonna be with me. There's gonna be a different point of views. So yeah, we're gonna try to finish this challenge fast. And can you just admire this view back here, guys? Can you just admire that view back there?
Hey, and nobody's here.
Yeah,
so
we got this whole place to ourselves.
Oh my.
There's absolutely nobody here.
So I mean, hey, hopefully we catch something. Hopefully today's a good day. You know?
Today's gotta be a good day, cause I'm already seeing activity down in my spot. So good luck.
Hey, bro.
All right, we'll see y'all there.
Just a little activity.
All right, guys. So we finally made it to the spot, and I'm gonna go ahead, hook up the stuff for it. Honestly, scissors. Oh, my scissors are in my bag. Never mind. I'll cut you out when I put my first thing on. First thing I'm gonna use is the swim bait. I'm gonna use this one first. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now that we're hooked on, let me try to adjust this real quick. See how it is. All right, so. All right. Let's try. Come on. Ooh, almost had one. Almost had one. All right. So far, pretty good. All right. So far, we're doing pretty good, guys. Almost had a bite. And oh my God, did y'all see that? All right. Let's sit there. Spin it around a bit. Come on. Fight it, come on. All right. Not bad. We're not doing bad so far. We're not doing bad. So far, we're doing pretty good. I have been seeing some little bit of fish going up to it. Oh, almost. He's right there. I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. He almost grabbed it. Bro, one went up to it. Yeah, but then it swam away. Oh yeah, Isaac. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's one already. Oh my God. Look at this beaut. Look at this. That's 1 out of 3 already. 1 out of 3. Let me go ahead and get the pliers because I'm not touching it. I don't know if y'all saw that, but it has teeth.
Alrighty, y'all. Jose caught one. Apparently, I just have the worst luck with challenges. Like, literally, I don't even know, bro. Like, I feel like I have the worst luck in these challenges, bro. Like, I just got the best stuff. And still, like, nothing. No bites, no nothing. I have one of the worst lucks because literally, like, I casted with my fishing rod, right? I literally casted and I had the meanest bird nest or tangled or whatever you want to call it ever, bro. Terrible. I mean, the worst. I couldn't even fix it. I just said, you know what? I'm gonna just cut it. But I'm back at it, y'all. Please just give me one bite. That's all I asked for. Just one. Yeah, I'm gonna need a new fishing rod, bro. Like, look at the line, bro. Is it my drag or what? Let me get this.
Guys, that's not a bad, but I don't know what it is. I should put it back in the water. I'm scared to touch it though, cause you see that? Y'all guys see that? Don't attack, alright? Alright guys, I'll cut y'all back when I... So I managed to put him back in the water. First catch, bro, let's go. He's over there. And I'm beating him, guys. What a success, bro. That's a great catch. That right there, guys, that's how you use a swim bait. Alright. One down, 2 more to go, and I'll win the challenge, guys. Right there. I'll cut back to y'all when I put on the next one. So the next one is gonna be these pre-rigs. They are swim shads. Hopefully we catch a bass with this. Yeah. See how they are though. Let me take them out the box, the bag real quick. Let's get this one. All right. Oh, they got a little plastic rig on that. I'll cut back to y'all when I take this off. All right, now that I got it rigged up, let's try again. Honestly, guys, I don't know what I think. That might have been a trout. I'm not sure. If y'all know what it is, just let me know in the comments below. And I just got a mean bird's nest, but that's fine. I'll fix it. It shouldn't be bad. But if y'all know what kind of fish that was, let me know in the comment below. what type of fish that was. Oh, let me try something. Alright. Huh? I don't even know. It had teeth. So it might have been a shad, or not shadow, probably a trout. Alright, so why is it doing that? Did I press down too hard? I think I might have pressed it down too hard. And my drag is too tight, that's probably why. Alright. I don't know how to use it. I think I just gotta just reel it. But other than that, if y'all liking this video so far, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. And put a comment down below what part was your favorite video. Or what part was your favorite part. Or any suggestions y'all want us to do. We will read every single comment y'all put, and whichever one has the most likes, we will do that video. We're already planning a big video that we're gonna make. It may take up like an hour long, but hopefully y'all like it. And for y'all who live in Dallas, y'all might see us there. Yeah, for y'all who live in Dallas, y'all might see us maybe in a couple of weeks. But we are going to do a 2-day challenge. We are going to be staying at Dallas for 2 days. I don't know exactly when. I'll let y'all know when. But we are doing a 2-day challenge. The first day is like whoever catches the most fish. And the second day is whoever... Hold on, my bad. Alright, the second day is whoever... I got something bit me, hold on. I'll finish it off in a minute. Hold on. Alright, the second day is whoever has the biggest fish by the end of the day. So we're going to be doing a 2-day challenge. I'll let y'all know when we're going.
Alright, y'all, back at it for like the 50th time. Oh my gosh, is that a fish? I don't think it is, but... Okay. Terrible cast. And I'm probably gonna get stuck again. Cause like, that's just like my luck. That is just my luck. This whole day, I get nothing but stuck. Like, how's that fair? Every single I cast, I get stuck. Somehow. Didn't really think it was possible, but hey, here I am doing it. Let's go. Jose. Got it. Got it. Hey, that's one on the board. Hey, that's one on the board. Let's go. Calm down. Calm down. Oh. Will you please calm down? Shh. There we go. Hey, you know what? Before I put him back, I'm gonna weigh him. I don't think he's anything too big, but hopefully he doesn't die on me. I don't think he will. Oh my gosh, where did I hook him from? This guy's kind of big. Okay, I'm putting him back. It's gonna be a hefty release. Let's go. One in the board. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on now. Hey, I told y'all, bro. Momentum. That's all I needed. Just a little bit of momentum, and I got this in the bag. All right, I'm going to switch to my second lure. I'm going to switch to the crankbait. Hopefully I catch one and win this challenge.
So y'all are gonna be, and I'm gonna end my POV right here. You're gonna be up there with them. You're gonna be up there with them. First POV now. But I'll make sure I put some of his clips between then and there, because I know last video I made with him, we didn't really have enough clips together. Or I didn't put a lot of clips of him. It was just mainly about me. But I'll make sure I put a lot of clips of him for y'all. But other than that, guy, I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Peace. Alright, so I'm heading over there to Isaac right now. And when I was coming up to get up here towards him, he called my name. And that's a bad thing. Because I turned over. And guys, he caught one. And I was like, no, bro, this is bad. This is bad because I'm out. I got 1 out of 10. If he gets one more, guys, he wins. Like, if he gets one more, he wins. And this is really bad. Because he cannot win. I can't lose. Look at this view. But I can't lose, guys. I cannot lose. Heading towards him right now. I was just telling them. Did you already throw it back?
Hey, bro. Hey, crankbait.
Nah, bruh.
Hey, bro. Hey, crankbait, bro.
You for reals?
What?
I'm completely out of the thing now.
I told him, I said, all I needed was momentum, bro. That's all I needed. And after a couple, after an hour or so, got that.
Look at this view, guys. God damn, bro.
No cussing.
Sorry. I didn't mean to cuss, guys. That was my bad. You know, cause I'm losing. I don't want to lose.
Who told you to throw all your baits inside
Huh?
the water? Say, who told you to throw all your
It
baits
kept getting
inside?
snagged, bro. And I got.
Why would you go to the same area?
I didn't. Every area over there just keeps getting snagged.
That's why I didn't want to go over there. Because last time we came,
Bro.
He poked me, bro.
Huh?
He poked me.
He poked you?
Yeah,
Did you put your hands in his lips and mouth?
No, it wasn't. Yeah, well, I put my hands, but then he almost fell, and I tried to grab him. You know his spikes? I grabbed him from there. I'm like, oh, it hurt. That's all I needed, bro. Momentum. I'm on 4%.
Look, there's your line.
No, I'm on 4%, bro. I can't record no more. You're gonna have to record for me, bro.
I was gonna go live on TikTok.
I haven't even finished the video, bro. Like what you always say, bro.
Yeah, if anything, I'll probably pass the phone. I'll probably pass my camera to him before he can record, because his camera's about to die.
Quick sauce, bro.
Alright then, guys, I'm gonna pass the camera to him. Better pass the camera to him.
One, bro. One fish already, bro. Come on now. We winning.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna pass the camera to him.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a new fishing rod, bro. Like, look at the line, bro. Is my drag or what? Let me get this. feel like I'm gonna catch one of
That's why I get snagged right there.
these. What? He's lying.
Come over here.
Hold up.
You can see better why I get snagged right there. You can't, I don't know if you can see down there. But up here you can see a good view why you get snagged over there. Look over there.
What, that branch or what?
You don't see the rocks up there and all that right there?
Yeah.
That's why you get snagged right there.
Oh, I can see it from down here. Oh, you should have said it. You should have said something. I can see it from down here. Pretty sure you can see it anywhere but the place that you're at. Tico, tico, tico. Tico, tico, tico.
You're gonna have to plug your phone inside the little thing. Well, I'll plug mine inside the...
Don't you have to hold it though? Oh, shoot.
No, that was with the other one.
Oh, you got a new one?
No.
Or you still have the same one?
It's the same one. It's just the
Oh,
cord.
it was your cord.
Because remember how I tried it in the one inside there?
Yeah.
Inside the little thing that moves up?
Yeah.
That secret glove compartment?
Yeah.
You have to push the thing inside. Probably quick though. You're not really catching them, bro. He's gonna bring my money, kid. I swear.
I thought I was gonna catch one, bro. I saw one, I think.
He's going to bring my money, I swear.
See, bro, this place is like a techie place, bro. Yeah, cause you can see the fishes and everything. I wish
I can tell when he's cold.
you couldn't tell the other time, bro. Ah, your phone keeps like unpausing the video.
Is it when a notification comes up?
I don't know.
That's what happened. I don't know why, but...
Like I'm recording, and I think I'm thinking that I'm still recording, but I'm not recording. You know? That white one? Bro, when I caught that fish, bro, I was like looking at my line. I saw it moving. I'm like, I was finna, reel it in. I'm like, hold on, let me wait. And when I felt it a little bit more, I'm like,
All right, so we ended the video here because
he kept losing all his lures and stuff.
I lost all my lures. So I got one out of 3.
I got 1 out of 3 too. I kept trying with my crankbait and my spinnerbait, but no bites.
I just keep getting snagged in that spot. So we're just gonna end the video here. Yeah. So if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and turn on them post notifications to see more video like this. We are gonna be making that big video later on in the future.
Hopefully.
We still don't know what day or when we're gonna do it, but we are gonna do it.
Yeah, today was a good day. I mean, better than the other times that we recorded videos. I mean, we got a lot of activity, thankfully.
We did get a lot of activity, but we are gonna do that big video for y'all. It's gonna be like an hour long video, an hour maybe an hour, 30 minutes. Depends on the editing and all that.
I mean, and you know, hopefully, we'll put a little vlog in there as well.
Yeah,
you know?
we'll do some vlogging. We'll be live on our TikTok, and still thinking about making that Twitch or a Kick. Y'all decide which one y'all want most. If y'all want a Kick, we'll make a Kick account. If y'all on Twitch, we can make up a Twitch account if y'all want. We're gonna start thinking about going live before we start recording our videos. You're gonna see like in the recording in our lives, you're gonna be seeing like all the back scenes, all the stuff we do that's off camera.
Yeah. But yeah, hopefully, you know, everyone has a blessed day. You know, hopefully we could catch more fish later on. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Y'all have a great day, man. Peace.
Peace.